the delivery of my washing machine. And okay, I was a little bit surprised because online I thought it would be a wee bit bigger, and when I got it, it was very, very small. Give me a wee second. I'm gonna get BTS to stay a little bit quiet. Quiet, boys. There you go. Yes, I love BTS. I watch them all the time whenever I can. So today we'll be unboxing it. I haven't really opened the box because I wanted to show you. I wanted to share it with you guys. So I'll show you how it looks like unboxed. See how small that is? I mean, I knew that online it said it can handle 3 kilos of laundry at a time. I didn't expect that it would be this small. But anyway, I have a small flat and I don't really do much laundry, so it's better than going to the laundromat every time I need to wash my clothes. So let's get started. Actually, I already started. I was just rumbling. So let's see how it looks like, because I'm a little bit nervous. I hope it's not a toy. Maybe I made a mistake and bought a washing machine toy instead of a real washing machine. But I hope not. Okay, let's get this thing open. Okay. I went to Action. It's a store where you can get a lot of things, household, food, a few clothes and shoes at a cheaper price. And I thought that I get a small box I can put it on top of, but I decided against it before I see the actual machine. I wanted to see it first and see if I can get the right box for it. And I'm glad that I didn't buy that one yet. So here it is. Small machine. Well, the good thing is it's electric. Okay, let's see. There she is. So this is my new washing machine. Small, handy. The good thing about this is I can just put it anywhere and everywhere every time I need to do washing. And I can use this when I travel, maybe if I go camping. So we're just gonna have to figure out where I'm gonna place this. Initially I wanted it inside the storage room, which is that one, to do my washing, but I guess I can just pop it in my bath. I have a wee space in my bath. Let's see. This is my bathroom. And I think I can just pop it in here. And I just need an extension wire. So if I need to do some washing. Let's see. Let's get you here, babe. Should be perfect here. Yeah, I just need to get a box or something to put it on top of to elevate it a little bit so I can do my washing. So it has a 15-minute timer for washing and it has a 5-minute timer for spin dryer. I'm gonna try it out today. I'm gonna do laundry and see how it works. I'm going to share it with you guys. So, I'm going to try this little baby out right now. Let me just set it up. I went out quickly to get an extension wire for this. So I decided that I will only put this in here when I need to use it or when I need to do my laundry. And for the rest of the time, it will be in the storage room. So let's fill this little baby up with water. I think I put way too much load of clothes for washing, but it says 3 kilos though. Maybe I should remove some. Wait, let's get rid of this for now. Yeah. There you go. So, I'll leave this to wash and I'll give you guys an update if it's doing a good job. So that's my second load of laundry, the one that I took out earlier. And this is the first batch. And it actually does a good job. Just like in a regular washing machine. So I'm quite happy with this. And it doesn't take a lot of time to wash. And it does it really well. It doesn't take a lot of water as well. So I guess I'm recommending this if you live alone and you don't really have to do a lot of washing and you want something handy and portable and something that you can use at home while you travel. So I guess that's it for today. Happy laundry day, everyone.